Governor Ducey's daily update brought more than just the usual update on numbers today. And if you think you're getting back to normal in the next couple of weeks, you need to rethink that. Team 12's Bram Resnick was at that briefing. And Bram, how long are we talking about?
Looks like about 2 more months, Mark. For the first time, we are learning Arizona's coronavirus crisis could last at least 2 more months. The state's top public health official telling reporters today her experts say hospital beds could be packed by May. President Trump hopes the coronavirus crisis wanes in 2-3 weeks by Easter.
I'd like to get our country back. I have tremendous numbers of people wanting to go back.
But here in Arizona, the worst of the crisis is still 2 months away. That according to the state's top public health official.
We believe that the peak of our illnesses will start mid to end of April, with peak hospitalizations in May.
Dr. Kara Chris says the state needs double the current number of hospital beds, about 13,000 more, and double the number of intensive care unit beds, about 1,500 more.
This is all based on computers and very smart people, but that's what we are trying to get ahead of.
Chris was asked what the models show about potential coronavirus cases and deaths, but Governor Doug Ducey shut it down.
So we're watching all of the potential modeling.
And in closing, the idea is to reduce the number of deaths, reduce the number of illnesses.
The state is taking steps to prepare. We learned the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers is looking at reopening 2 or 3 vacant hospitals. Also, Obamacare opponent Doug Ducey is asking the feds to let Arizonans enroll now for Affordable Care Act insurance. That would help the tens of thousands of people who've lost their jobs in just the last 2 weeks. But Ducey wouldn't say whether he'd use federal rescue dollars to boost unemployment benefits. Arizona's are the second lowest in the country. And one more piece of new information today. For the first time, we learned that 6,600 coronavirus tests have been done in Arizona by the state health lab and commercial labs. That's about 900 tests for every million people, puts us in about the middle of the pack nationally. Live in the Alert Center, Bram Resnick, 12 News.
Thanks.